girl I ever seen. Straight up at a movie scene. Who knew she was a drama queen? That'd turn my life to Stephen King. Checking everything like I'm on parole. Up late night like she on patrol. I told her it's some things she don't need to know. She never let it go. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. You'll never stop it now. You never stop it now. Okay, okay, okay. You'll never stop it now. We need to drop it now. Drop it, drop it. Cause I don't want no RoboCop. You moving like a RoboCop. Yeah. When did you become a RoboCop? No, I don't need no RoboCop. Just looking at your history. You like the girl in Misery. She said she ain't take it to this degree. Well, let's agree to disagree. I know she kinda crazy, but it turned me on. Keep it up enough to keep it